Hey guys, welcome to Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks. Today we're going to talk about why your car's not starting and showing you that it's your battery versus your starter. So I'm going to show you a situation here. Anyway, I'm in the Costco parking lot, and I'm lucky I parked somewhere here. But I was actually looking up other YouTube videos for fun before I got some gas. And I left the heater on in the car, the fan running, and everything else. And so, yep, now I've got a no crank situation here. Check this out. No noise whatsoever. Turn in that key. Nothing. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is say, hey, do my windows go up? They're going up very slowly. Well, first thing you want to do is check whether you got a dead battery. But if you got a no crank sound, those windows are going up and down very, very slow. So if it's your starter, your windows are going to go up fast, and you're going to know, hey, that's probably not my battery. Okay, so right off the bat, that's a telltale of whether your battery. If your interior light is off in your car, see, this interior light is working, but it's very dim, it's most likely also your battery. So we can also try the headlights. We'll see. Those headlights are looking pretty dim. Okay, so pretty sure this is the battery, so we're going to jump start it. I may not show it on camera because I'm going to get somebody to help me, but yeah, I'm just showing you some of the signs that if it's your battery. If you when your starter's dead, you're going to have no sound at all either. It's going to make no sound at all. So but yeah, anyway, you can always charge a battery if it's dead. You don't have to necessarily get a new one. Although I'm at Costco, so I'm tempted to just buy a new battery and then return it. Just get me going today. Might do that. I'm serious, guys. I'm so mad that Costco does not carry battery jump boxes to help customers out. They sell them, but they're not charged up. So what good is it going to do me? So yeah, I'm in a pickle here, and I really don't want to bother a friend. I might be able to find somebody if they're kind enough to give me a jump start. But at this point, I don't even feel like bothering people with COVID going on. So I may just buy a new battery if they have my size, and I may return it if they'll take it back. Just have to see how this goes. So, you know, I don't even know if Costco carries PT Cruiser batteries. That would suck if they don't, and it's possible they don't. So, guys, okay, well, anyway, guys, that's my pickle here. But, hey, hopefully that helps you out in figuring out whether your battery's dead or whether it's your starter. Now, if it's your alternator, your battery, as soon as you charge it up, even if you use a charger, a couple days later, your battery's going to die again. And you can have your alternator tested at an AutoZone or O'Reilly's or wherever. They can test your alternator and see if it's bad. But if your battery keeps going dead and it's, you know, less than 2 or 3 years old, it's very possible that it's your alternator not charging your battery. So that's a tough one to tell, but you can have your alternator tested. They'll do a thing and it'll show how the current's coming out. So yeah, but anyway, so I'm in a pickle here, guys, and I'm gonna try to get my car jump started or either buy a new battery. Luckily I am in the Costco parking lot. The irony that I was about to get some gas and I'm in the Costco parking lot where they sell batteries, but you have to install them yourselves. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you out, and I hope you're staying well during the pandemic. If you're not a subscriber yet, mash that subscribe button, and if this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button. Again, if your windows are going up and down really slow or not at all, and the lights in your car are dim, it's a good chance your battery's dead. Okay, if you've got plenty of power and there's a no crank, it's most likely your starter. And you can also have your starter tested. Of course, if your car won't start, you can't get to an AutoZone to get your starter tested. That can be a pain in the butt too. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. This is Drew with Drew's Quick Fixes and Hacks.